During March of 2016, Palo Alto Networks released a sales pitch video hosted by their CEO, Mark McLaughlin. This is a Check Point Software Technologies response video to Palo Alto Networks sales pitch video. All responses are fact-based only.
And our platform, again, will provide highly integrated and automated outcomes that provide preventative security versus the competition, which is really doing things ad hoc, at random, and after the fact.
Prevention is critical and more important than detection only. We share that vision. But does Palo Alto Networks really prevent threats? Look at how Palo Alto truly handles threats. The text below is directly from Palo Alto's WildFire documentation. Notice the highlighted areas. WildFire then generates signatures to recognize the newly discovered malware and makes the latest signatures globally available every 5 minutes. Palo Alto cannot prevent patient zero infections to malware after at least 5 minutes. After the first infection, the malware spreads. As one of the competitors Mark was referring to, our innovative technology examines every document, removing and blocking patient zero malware in real time. True and proactive prevention. Now let's see who Palo Alto claims invented the stateful inspection firewall.
So if we go back to the mid-90s, Nir Zook, who's the founder of our company at that time, worked for Check Point, and he was the inventor of the stateful inspection firewall.
Nir Zook was the inventor of the stateful inspection firewall? I think Google may disagree. As we can see, Gil Shwed submitted the first patent in 1993 when he established Check Point, which is 2 years before Nir Zook joined Check Point. Let's take a look at the things that only Palo Alto can do.
In addition to that, when you're provisioning or deprovisioning virtual machines in your data center, now your security can automatically follow in the NSX environment. That is SDN for security in the virtual data center environment. And it's very compelling, and again, it's unique to us with our partner VMware.
We found a unique link which disputes that claim. As you can clearly see, VMware has multiple vendors supported under NSX. One of them, Check Point. Having a good marketing message is important for visibility, but more important is to support that message with facts. Security is vitally important to your business, and you wouldn't build your business on a promise without facts to back it up, would you?